We'll guide you through how to make flicker effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Drag the media clip from the project panel onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place the clip in an existing one. Once the clip appears on the timeline, you can start preparing the layer that will be used to create the flicker effect. Right-click inside the project panel to open the available options. From the menu that appears, select New Item so you can create a new layer for the effect. After that, choose Adjustment Layer from the list of available items. A small settings window will appear, and you can simply click OK to create the adjustment layer using the default sequence settings. Next, drag the adjustment layer from the project panel onto the timeline and place it above your video clip so the effect can influence the footage underneath it. Once the layer is positioned correctly, adjust the duration of the flicker effect by dragging the edge of the adjustment layer on the timeline. Extend or shorten the layer depending on how long you want the flicker effect to appear in your video. After the adjustment layer is ready, go to the Effects panel where you can search for and apply video effects. In the search bar inside the Effects panel, type Strobe Light to quickly find the effect you need. When the Strobe Light effect appears in the search results, drag it directly onto the adjustment layer in the timeline to apply the flicker effect. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to modify the settings. Scroll down until you find the Strobe Light section where the effect parameters are located. Adjust the Strobe Duration setting. For example, set it to 0.10 to control how long each flash appears. Then adjust the Strobe Period setting. For example, set it to 0.15 to determine how frequently the flashes occur. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the flicker effect. If necessary, adjust Blend with Original. For example, set it to 50% to balance the effect with the original footage. Press Enter again or click Play to preview the result. If needed, click the color box in the Strobe Color section. Change the color, then click OK and preview again.